Let's make it easier to get to the places we need to be, working smarter, not harder. Creating cities that respond to, adapt with, and take care of its citizens is a mission worthy of our attention. Developing strategies and sharing ideas and dreams that translate into real-world solutions takes effort and vision. Motivating one another, working together to better our world. Where do we start? A need was identified. An inclusive, energetic, inspired group comprised of technical experts from more than 25 organizations from throughout the region gathered to solve our mobility challenges. Everyone rolled up their sleeves. Safety, mobility of all types, bikes and pedestrians, vehicles and mass transit. How can we find ways to make moving about the community safe and easy? How can we combine technology and innovation with the human element to create a place for everyone? This was our task, our passion, our mission. Folks from public, private, and academic all debating, talking it through, asking for help, listening respectfully, then challenging, and finding a way to prepare for the future. Watching it unfold, the care and respect and commitment. It was relatable because we all live here too. We want this for our neighbors, our families, our colleagues. We want this for the Tampa Bay region, for Hillsborough, Pasco, and Pinellas counties. Doing business in a different way, coming together for the greater good, getting involved, transforming ideas into action. Every single person has a stake in the future of your region. Working to improve the way we move takes a commitment to making things better regardless of where cities end and counties begin. The resulting ideas, plans, and solutions establish a framework, a vision, and a clear course of action for our work as the Tampa Bay Smart Cities Alliance.